Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. This is a song called The GAS Man Cometh. In 1972, in July, a letter appeared in the London Times under the heading, "Once Again the Gas Man Cometh," and it described a situation very similar to this in the song, and probably inspired Michael Flanders to write the words. In his memoir, Donald Swann said that the tune came away from a folk song called "Dashing Away with a Smoothing Iron." He simply changed it enough to make it copyright. So it's really based on a folk song. I was lucky enough to see Flanders and Swann on stage, and they were hilarious. I'll sing the song and then I'll go through the chords as usual. It was on a Monday morning. The gasman came to call, the gas tap wouldn't turn on. I wasn't getting gas at all. He tore right on the sculling bolts to try to find the main. And I had to call a carpenter to put them back again. Oh, it all makes work for the working man to do. It was on a Tuesday morning, the carpenter came round. He hammered and he chiselled and he said, "Look what I've found. Your joists are full of dry rot, but I've put it all to rights." Then he nailed right through a cable, and out went all the lights. So it all makes work for the working man to do. It was on a Wednesday morning. The electrician came. He called me Mr. Sanderson, which isn't quite my name. He couldn't reach the fuse box without standing on a bin, and his foot went through a window. So I called the glazier in. Oh, it all makes work for the working man to do. It was on a Thursday morning. The glazier came round with his blowtorch and his putty and his merry glazier song. He put another pane in. It took no time at all, but I had to get the painter in to come and paint the wall. Oh, it all makes work for the working man to do. It was on a Friday morning. The painter made a start. With undercoats and overcoats he painted every part, every nook and every cranny. But I found when he was gone, he'd painted over the gas tap and I couldn't turn it on. Oh, it all makes work for the working man to do. On a Saturday and a Sunday, they do no work at all. So 'twas on a Monday morning that the gasman came to call. Well, the chords of this song are reasonably straightforward. It's in a key of G, so your first chord is a G chord. 'Twas on a Monday morning, the gasman, and move your fingers across these two, just across there, for a D7 chord, Hawaiian D7, came back again to a G, a single finger chord C, gassed up, back to G again, down on. Another single finger chord A7, getting gas back to D7. He tore out all G7 skirting boards to try to find A7 9. And I had to call the carpenter to put them back again. Then this little pattern of G all makes A7, the working man to do. And that's it, because it's repeated for every verse in exactly the same way. Strumming pattern is mostly just this cross with the thumb, but I do have this introduction and between the verses where I go across the strings and then have a free chord, C6 chord, which, why not? It's a free chord, why not make the most of it? It's a fun song, and I hope you enjoyed it and will find it amusing, and I hope you have a go at it. But anyway, whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.